Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to connect your Wi-Fi MOTOMA AXPERT ULTRA inverter to your mobile phone using the iSolar app. Here's the simple step-by-step guide. Download the iSolar app from the App Store. Go to the Wi-Fi settings on your phone. Connect to the inverter's dedicated Wi-Fi network and enter the default password from 1 to 8. Navigate to the network settings within the app. Manually enter your home Wi-Fi network name and password. After a successful connection, tap OK to proceed. Return to the Wi-Fi settings on your phone. Connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Open the app and click on Register Now. Create your username. Enter a nickname for your account. Enter an email for future account recovery. Create a password for your account. Confirm your password. Press the Register button to complete the registration. Go back to the app's main interface. Enter your login information that you registered with before. Tap on the 3 dots in the corner. Manually input the inverter's serial number and tap Add. Return to the app's main interface to verify the successful addition of the inverter. MOTOMA, power into the future.